What if success isn't just about talent or hard work, but about what you inherit without even realizing it? This is the idea behind cultural capital, introduced by Pierre Bourdieu. He argued that society rewards not just economic wealth, but certain tastes, skills, language, and behaviors. Knowing how to speak, when to read, how to act in formal settings, these are invisible assets. They signal belonging. Cultural capital explains why two people with equal ability can have very different outcomes. One fits the system, the other has to learn it from scratch. But Bourdieu didn't stop there. Here are some of his theories. First is theory of field, which claims that society is made up of different arenas: education, art, politics, each with its own rules. What counts as valuable in one field may not matter in another. Success depends on knowing the rules of the specific game you're in. Second, doxa. These are the taken-for-granted beliefs that feel natural and unquestioned. For example, what counts as good education or proper behavior often reflects dominant group values but is rarely challenged. People follow these rules without even realizing they are rules. Third, forms of capital conversion. Cultural capital can turn into economic success. The right education leads to better jobs. The right manners open doors. Over time, advantage reproduces itself quietly and efficiently. Contemporary scholars expand these ideas. Loic Wacquant, a student of Bourdieu, showed how institutions reinforce inequality through everyday practices, especially in marginalized communities. From a Muslim perspective, Syed Hussein Alatas helps us see how cultural capital is not neutral. He argued that post-colonial societies often adopt dominant standards of value, making local knowledge seem inferior. Abdelwahab Elmessiri adds that what is valued as culture often reflects materialistic assumptions. Not all forms of knowledge are equally recognized, especially those rooted in spirituality. And Ali Shariati pushes this further. True value should not come from imitation of elite culture, but from conscious, purposeful understanding. Otherwise, cultural capital becomes a tool of conformity, not liberation. So the next time you see success, ask, is this talent or training, merit or inheritance? Because cultural capital reminds us, the game is not just about playing well. It's about knowing the rules before you even begin. If this gave you a new lens on success and inequality, subscribe to the channel. We break down powerful ideas so you don't just navigate society, you understand it.